Finding the right wireless tattoo gun is not always easy, especially if you want smooth performance, strong battery life, and precise control. Many machines look impressive, but not all deliver reliable results in real use. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best wireless tattoo guns, selected for their performance, features, comfort, and value. Watch till the end to find out which tattoo gun is the perfect choice for beginners and professional artists. Let's get started. Item number 5, the Dragonhawk L3 Wireless Tattoo Gun Kit is a perfect choice for both beginners and professional tattoo artists. Featuring 7 adjustable stroke lengths from 2.4mm to 4.2mm, it delivers smooth lining, shading, and color packing with precision. Its powerful McCore motor ensures quiet, stable, and snag-free performance for flawless tattoo work. The cordless design with dual 2000 mAh batteries provides up to 7 hours of freedom and convenience. With a comfortable grip, smart display, and advanced direct drive system, the Dragonhawk L3 offers power, control, and reliability in one premium tattoo machine. Item number 4, the Mast Fold Pro Wireless Tattoo Pen is built for artists who want power, precision, and total flexibility. With 7 adjustable stroke lengths from 2.4mm to 4.2mm, it handles lining, shading, layering, and blending with ease. Its powerful McCore C2 motor delivers smooth, snag-free performance, even on thick skin. The advanced direct drive system ensures quiet operation, stable voltage, and consistent ink flow for professional quality results. Designed for cordless freedom and trusted by over 2 million users worldwide, the Mast Fold Pro is a reliable choice for serious tattoo artists and SMP professionals. Item number 3, the WORMHOLE Pro Tattoo Gun Kit is a complete 80-piece professional set designed for both beginners and expert artists. It features 7 adjustable stroke lengths, giving full control for lining, shading, and detailed artwork. The powerful 1800 mAh battery ensures long, uninterrupted sessions, while the digital LED display allows easy and precise adjustments. Built with a durable aluminum alloy body, it delivers stability and long-lasting performance. With 20 high-quality tattoo needles included and a 4.8-star rating from users, this kit offers reliability, precision, and everything an artist needs for professional tattooing. Item number 2, the Mast Fold 2 Pro Wireless Tattoo Pen is built for professional artists who demand power and precision. It features real 7 adjustable stroke lengths from 2.4mm to 4.2mm, perfect for lining, shading, blending, and color packing. Powered by advanced McCore C1 motor technology, it delivers strong, smooth, and snag-free performance on all skin types. The dual 2000 mAh batteries provide up to 7 hours of wireless operation with fast charging support. Its OLED display allows precise voltage control, while the ergonomic design ensures comfort and stability for long tattoo sessions. Item number 1, the Ambition Soldier Rotary Wireless Tattoo Pen is designed for professional performance and precision. It comes with a powerful 2400 mAh battery, delivering up to 5 to 6 hours of stable working time with fast 1.5 to 2 hour charging. Powered by a 10-volt cordless motor running at 9,000 RPM, it ensures strong, smooth, and low-heat operation for clean coloring. The 4.2mm stroke is ideal for bold black work and detailed shading. Built with a lightweight aluminum alloy body and ergonomic grip, it offers comfort and perfect balance. Compatible with all cartridge needles, it's a reliable choice for serious tattoo artists. Which of these wireless tattoo gun is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.